Today we'll start a lesson about the Nayakas, Palegaras and Nadaprabus. So you all have learned that the Vijayanagara Empire was declined in the year 1565 in the Battle of Talikota. Okay. So after the fall of the Vijayanagara Empire, Karnataka came under the control of three administrative rulings. That is under the Vijayapura, that is Bijapur Sultans, Keladi and Mysore. Okay. And after the decline of the Vijayapura, that is decline of the Adil Shahis, Mughals and Marathas, they ruled many regions of Karnataka. Okay, even with the presence of these rulers, Keladi and Mysore states protected themselves well from them and continued the practices, that is the traditions and practices of the Vijayanagara Empire. And with these things, Pattus, that is feudal kings, grew in Chitradurga, Surapura and Yelahanka at the same regionally. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to study about the Nayakas of Keladi, Chitradurga, Surapura and Nadaprabus of Yelahanka and their achievements. And about the Nayakas of Keladi. Okay, and they ruled from 1499 to 1763 CE. Okay, they ruled from 1499 to 1763 CE. Okay, so Nayakas are Palegaras. Who are these Nayakas? Under the control of Vijayanagara Empire, they were small kings. Okay, and those small kings are called as Nayakas or Palegara. So, small kings are called as Nayakas or are called as Nayakas or Palegaras. Okay. Okay. Under the Vijayanagara kingdom, that means during the time of the Vijayanagara Empire, there were small kings, and those small kings are called as Nayakas or Palegaras. And the places that these Nayakas were ruled were called as Pattus. Understood? Pattus. Okay, the places that was ruled by this, the place ruled by Palegaras are known as Pattus. And I think you understood. Under the control of Vijayanagara, there were small kings and they were called as Nayakas. And the place that these Palegaras ruled were called as Pattus. Among these Palegaras, the Nayakas of Keladi and Nayakas of Chitradurga are very famous. Okay, today in this class we will learn about the Nayakas of Keladi. Keladi was founded in 1499 CE during the Vijayanagara period, and later they became independent. Okay, and the leaders of Keladi, they ruled the coastal and the Malnad region. Okay, and this Keladi province was large and prosperous, and it consists of that is Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Shimoga, Chikmagalur. Okay, then Hassan, Kodagu, Chitradurga, Tumukur, Dharwad. So these places. Okay, so the Keladi rulers, they ruled these places. Among the various Nayakas of Keladi, today we are going to discuss about the two important Keladi rulers, that is Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka and Shivappa Nayaka. Firstly, we will know about Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka. So, Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, he ruled from 1582 to 1629 CE. Okay, and he is a popular among the kings of Keladi. Okay, and it was said that it was during his time the Keladi kingdom attained complete freedom. Okay, and coming to his military achievement, his expedition, that means he took his expedition till river Chandragiri, that is in the coastal region, and with the help of the Queen Appakka Devi, that is Queen of Ullal, he defeated the Portuguese. Portuguese are the Europeans. They were the first to come to India to trade. Okay, Vasco da Gama discovered sea route in the year 1498. So after the discovery of sea route to India, the Portuguese were the first Europeans to come to India to trade, and they had established their that means they had come to trade to India during the time of the Vijayanagara. You might have learned that Krishna Devaraya helped the Portuguese in conquering the Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur. Okay, so with the help of the Queen Apakka Devi, he defeated the Portuguese. Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, he defeated the Portuguese in Mangalore with the help of the Queen Apakka Devi. Okay, then next he also defeated Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka also defeated Adil Shahis. Okay, that is the Bahman Adil Shahi forces near Vijayapura and established a victory pillar in Hanagal. Okay. And now we'll know about the Shivappa Nayaka. Shivappa Nayaka was the famous Shivappa Nayaka. Okay, he was the famous Keladi king. Okay. So he assumed the power in the year 1645 AD. Okay, and he is most influential administrator and a soldier. Okay, and it was during his time Vijayanagara Empire was defeated by Bijapur Sultans, and then the emperor, the ruler of that time, that is Sri Rangaraya, he came to Shivappa Nayaka as a refuge. It means to take shelter to save his family lives. Okay. And it is also said that in those days the British and the Portuguese were planning to gain access, that means their commanding power on the local rulers, okay, especially in the South India. And the Portuguese were also trying to involve in the local administration. But the Shivappa Nayaka eliminated their threat in 1653 and occupied Mangalore, Kundapura and Honavar from the European nationals. And even he marched to Kerala to expand the boundaries of the kingdom, and he installed the pillar of victory, occupied the territories of the kingdom, and installed the victory pillar at Nileshwar. Okay. As a daring warrior, he fought against the Bijapur Sultans and even captured the modern Dharwad district. And even he invaded Srirangapatna and succeeded in forming the power in South Karnataka. Okay, and he also captured all the Portuguese coastal territories, and he was the cause to destroy the Portuguese power in Karnataka and even in the Kerala region. So this is a military expedition. Okay, he fought against the Bijapur Sultan, captured the modern Dharwad district, and even he invaded Srirangapatna and succeeded in capturing those Srirangapatna territories. And he also captured all the Portuguese coastal territories, and he was the cause to destroy the Portuguese power in Karnataka. So this is about his military expedition. Now let us know about his administration. Shivappa Nayaka is known for his revenue tax system, and which is known as a Shistu. Okay. So as per this revenue tax system, it is said that the land revenue was fixed on the basis of the fertility of the soil. Okay, and it is said that about 1/3 of the production was supposed to be given to the king as a land revenue. Okay, so this systematic revenue was called as a Shistu of Shivappa Nayaka. Okay, so this systematic revenue system was called as a Shistu of Shivappa Nayaka. And this Shistu system led to the development, means whatever the revenue that they got, no, it had helped in the development of the Malnad region. So this is about Shistu, that is the revenue tax system of the Shivappa Nayaka. And next, he was a religious liberal, that means he followed the policy of a religious liberal. That is, he followed the Hindu Vedic rituals and gave preference to the Hindu Advaita theory, he even given equal priority to other religions also, that is the Islam and Christianity. Okay, and it is said that he encouraged the Goa people, that means the traders of Goa, to settle in his state, okay, for the development of the trade. And also these Goans were very good in the experts in agriculture, so he encouraged them to his state, and he also had provided them the land, cultivable land, and other contribution to them. Okay, so this shows that he had encouraged even the people of other religion also during his time. Okay, so this is about Shivappa Nayaka.